Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Consumers will actually be paying less for gasoline this week. This as Petrojam has announced a 27-cent decrease in the price of both E1087 and E1090 gasoline. The price of a litre of regular diesel is up 2 cents. Low sulfur diesel costs 5 cents less. Kerosene is up $1 1 cent. Propane will cost $1 16 cents less, while butane is down $3 32 cents. The prices, as announced, are ex-refinery prices. Marketing companies are expected to add their margins to determine a final price. Chairman of Red Stripe, Richard Biles, says the beer company is pushing its flagship product beyond the diaspora market in the United States. Mr. Biles said the company is seeking to be a brand that targets all beer drinkers as it looks to fulfill its growth potential in a market which now consumes 2 million cases of its products annually.
Red Stripe, as we market it, is not just an ethnic beer, it's a beer. When you think that we get close to 3 million visitors here in Jamaica through tourism, many of them taste Red Stripe, go back home and would like to have it. So it's not an ethnic brand, we want it to be a mainstream brand.
Grace Kennedy has expanded its money services business through which it operates Western Union in the Bahamas. This is now the 12th market for Grace Kennedy Money Services. The first Bahama operations actually opened on December 30, and more locations are already being planned. This is the third consecutive year in which Grace Kennedy has expanded its money services business into a new market. Currency trading ended with the US dollar selling for $124.77. The Canadian dollar is costing $100.21. The pound is going for an even $169, while the euro costs $148.58. The JSE index gained more than 693 points today. The junior market index, however, declined by 10. Berger Paints, G West, JMMB Group, Paramount Trading, Radio Jamaica, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and Supreme Ventures were among the winners. On the other hand, 138 Student Living, Access Financial, Caribbean Cream, Fosrich, Jamaica Producers, Kingston Wharves, Main Event Entertainment, Pan Jam, Pulse Investments, and Wisynco Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.